Hello students, today's topic is the substitution table method. Last time we studied about Dr. West new method. What is substitution table method? It was adopted by H.E. Palmer. What was the full name of H.E. Palmer? Harold Edward Palmer. Some scholars call it a technique, but Palmer called it method. Substitution means to replace something with another thing. In this method, words of the sentence are substituted by other words. In it, there is a model sentence as, for example, a fox is a clever animal. There are 6 items in this sentence. It means there are 6 words in this sentence. The word clever is constant because teacher wants to teach it. There is the table. A fox is a clever animal. Teacher want to teach the word clever. So clever is constant in this table. A dog is a clever animal. An eagle is a clever animal. A cat is a clever animal. An eagle is a clever bird. Understand? Next sentence is I read a poem. They read a poem. He reads a poem. There is a cycle in substitution table method. First of all, teacher select model sentence. After that, teacher read that model sentence 2 or 3 times. Students repeat that sentence. When student repeat that sentence, teacher correct the pronunciation of the students. After that, teacher write that sentence on blackboard, meaning explained by the teacher to students, and substitute words. What is the merit of this method? Correct speaking and writing habit, because in this method teacher and first of all teacher tell the sentence, speak the sentence after 2 or 3 times. After that student repeat, teacher write on the blackboard. After that students write in their notebooks. So we can say that it is a merit of this method that speaking and writing habit develop. Next, correct pronunciation, because in this method when student repeat sentence, teacher correct the pronunciation of the student. Natural way of learning English. Mother tongue can be used. Teacher can be used mother tongue in this method. When teacher use mother tongue of the student in teaching, student understand easily. So we can say that it is a natural way of learning English. Improves the thinking power. Demerits. What are the demerits of this method? First, grammatical rules not explained. You see that in this method grammatical rules are not explained by teacher to student. So we can say that in this method grammar ignored. Writing habit give more emphasis. Trained teachers required. To teach through substitution table, teacher should be trained. All the words and sentences cannot be taught through substitution table method. Prose poetry cannot be taught through this. Useful for primary classes. It is useful only for primary classes. In higher classes we cannot teach through this method. Thank you.